Out of the ashes, Jamaica will rise. With God as our Father, great storms will survive. Our prayers unite us to soar to new heights. With our hearts together, we'll win any fight. We will rise, we will rise. With the strength of a lion, we will rise. We will rise, Jamaica will rise. With the wings of an eagle, we will rise. Our faith has grown stronger in truth and